Hey, today we're going to be doing some neck stretches. If you've been working at a computer for the last 8 hours, or if you woke up with a crick in your neck, these are going to be really beneficial for you. This first movement is going to be a warm-up. So we are going to be doing some semicircles with the neck. We will not be doing full circles with the neck, and you'll see in a second. Will, let me have you drop the chin to your chest, and you'll simply rotate your head to the right until your ear approximates to the shoulder, and then you'll drop it forward again, swinging it all the way to the other side, again in line with the shoulder. Now I don't want Will or you at home going straight backwards and finishing the complete circle. If the joints in your neck are already aggravated, if you jam them down by going straight back, you might actually be making this worse. So we're just doing a nice, simple warm-up. We'll be doing this for about 45 seconds, and then we can be done. The next exercise that we're going to be going into is a simple rotation of left and right. So Will's going to look as far to the right as he can without discomfort, followed by immediately going to the left as far as he can without discomfort. Now again, we're staying in the realm of pain-free. We don't need to irritate this. We're just trying to simply get movement into the neck to lubricate the joints and take that stiff, achy feeling out. You'll do this for 30 seconds. Feel free to do it up to 3 times. The next exercise is going to be 3 different parts. The first aspect is Will's going to take his right ear, bring it down to his right shoulder, and the ear comes down to the shoulder. The shoulder does not come up to meet the ear, and this might be a fantastic stretch just as it is right now. After he's done 30 seconds on that side, he'll do 30 seconds to the opposite side. Now after this, he's going to do a very similar motion. The right ear comes down to the right shoulder, and this time he's going to use the weight of his right hand just to add a little bit more of a stretch. Now Will isn't yanking the head, he's simply adding the weight of the arm to help increase the stretch. You'll be doing that to both sides. If this feels like it's too much, just stay with the simple ear to shoulder. You don't need to add the arm if it feels like it's too much for you. Third session of this is going to be very similar. Head off to the side, nose drops to the armpit. Again, this might be a good stretch for you. If not, add the arm. And this one you can play with a little bit. You can rotate the nose from the armpit closer to midline of the chest and just play around with it. You might find a band in there that's a little bit tighter than some of the others, and feel free to hang out on that a little bit more. You'll go to the left, nose to armpit, add the hand if you feel the need, and again, you'll rotate the head a little bit, bringing the nose closer to the midline of the chest or closer to the armpit.